Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and tap on system languages. Here let's tap on add a language, not a keyboard, add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find your language and then tap on it. I'll choose Greek. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English in my case is still a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Let's tap on change. And as you can see right now we've got the Greek language applied. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Tap on change and we've got English. If you'd like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and trash bin icon. Tap on remove and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.